What's up, data? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, dollar yen on the lower time frame has given us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade dollar yen. Looking at first of all monthly perspective to see bigger picture. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that back to back 3 months, dollar yen was strongly bearish. What we have seen that historically, dollar yen created this overextended market to the upside, and then back to back 3 months, the bears pushed the price down, creating series of lower high and lower low. Now, this is the current monthly candle. What we have seen that the price has gone up, created an retracement to the lower time frame, and then sellers again started to sell off, and we see currently this monthly candle approaching this another important monthly level of support. And what we can expect this price to at least hit that level of support, as what is falling is likely to fall. That's the law of trading. Now, looking at weekly time frame, we see that from the weekly perspective, dollar yen showing a typical bearish market structure. Starting from here, there has been an impulse followed by this narrow correction, another impulse correction, another impulse correction. So every time the bulls trying to push the price high, the sellers creating series of lower high and lower low, which is a typical downtrending market structure. Now let's look at the recent time frame, what it has done. What we see that from the weekly perspective, there is a weekly doji that the this is the candle that only the bulls tried to push the price high in couple of weeks. And what we see that this price grab liquidity, created a doji, and followed by a strong bearish engulfer. That's the sign that sellers are strongly active in the market. Now, this current weekly price action, what we see, the price again reach that important level of weekly support, which turn resistance here, grab liquidity, and then again rejected to the weekly level of support here. What we can expect, what I think that dollar yen might later today might go up a little bit for a lower time frame retracement, and then could come back down, probably will break this weekly low or even touch this support before creating any movement to the upside. So now let's look at daily time frame how the price action is forming. Now we see that this is the daily candle that has in fact tested this important level of previous support zone, which is turning resistance here. What we see that basically the price has created a double top here, has broken down, the price has gone up, tested the neckline of this previous support, turning resistance, and is strongly rejected. That's the sign that the price prepared for another strong bearish move. And as a result, today, what we have seen, as soon as market opened, there is a strong drop. Now, what we can expect, we see that from the daily perspective, there are two important level of support that dollar yen can touch today or tomorrow. That could be the zone that we can take profit if we open any position. So let's look at lower time frame to see how we can find trading opportunity. Now, in this 4 hour time frame, we see that dollar yen has created a very nice looking bearish price action. There is a typical head and shoulder, what we see that on dollar yen. Now, with that head and shoulder, the price grabbed liquidity from here, tested this important support here as a resistance, and strongly rejected. And again, we see that this is the left wing and right wing, the price again rejecting from the right wing. So how we can find trading opportunity? Now, if we consider the neckline of this head and shoulder, we see a couple of zone that we can expect dollar yen to give us a suitable entry opportunity. As you can see, this current candle now retracing to the upside. What we can expect dollar yen to go ahead and create a lower time frame retracement to the upside, and then to reject from that zone to this level or even to this level. So as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone for this move to the downside, we'll consider going short on dollar yen with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading dollar yen. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.